Hi, it's James from Active. You guys loved our hose reel wall mount, and about a week or so it was sold out. This time we want to show you our independent hose reel. What comes with it? The metal hose reel and mounting plate feature a stainless steel 3/8" quick connect female coupler, locking pin and hose clamp for a secure connection. It includes a stainless steel reel valve and a 600mm jumper hose to the pressure washer, with multiple jumper hose length options coming soon for both units. Why just the hose reel? One of the most requested additions, the hose reel is praised for its full metal build, stainless steel components, and smooth rotation. Its durable design and practical locking mechanism offer flexibility for custom setups beyond the standard pressure washer and hose reel arrangement. Compatible with almost any 5/16 and 3/8" hose up to 100 feet. Also compatible with 1/4" hoses, but will need quick connect adapters. The hose reel comes pre-installed on the mounting plate. We include 4 6x30mm screws to fasten the mounting plate to the wall. Installation is as simple as securing them in place. Just like the hose reel wall mount, it's designed for a quick and easy setup.